Hi folks, this is a video which I hope you can help with your kindness and generosity. A fellow YouTuber, one of my subscribers and friends, Jeff from Jeff and Jenny's Classic Restorations, has had his YouTube for a few years now, and he's got about 800 to 900 subscribers. He suffered a terrible fire in his shed at the end of his garden, and it took out everything. He's lost absolutely everything. I'll leave a link in the video description below where you can actually see his video, what he created about his loss. And all his powder coating equipment which he bought, all his tools, he does little restorations on his channel, and he had about 3 or 4 different motorcycles in his little shed which he'd restored, and one which was waiting to be restored, and they had totally gone, all gone. And also behind his shed he had his car parked, and that actually was totally destroyed as well. Now Jeff's a sort of like me, like a little one-man band. He doesn't do that for a living or anything. He's got a full-time job, but he's put a lot of time and passion into his hobby, and it's taken him years to get to where he is. And now in the space of minutes, I suppose, the whole thing was taken away from him, and he's got to go through all the hassle now of trying to rebuild, trying to get money off of insurance companies to make replacements and all that. But as I say, he's lost absolutely everything, a lifetime's worth of tools, things that he'd bought, especially to run his channel. It would be really, really good if any of you subscribers out there could maybe just go and just maybe leave a cup of coffee, the price of a cup of coffee, for example, on the GoFundMe page that I've created for him to try and get back all his stuff. We've had quite a few people donate already on my other channel, my Butler's Empire channel, but that's predominantly a family and vlogging channel. This is obviously our community for doing restorations and repairs and stuff like that on this channel. And as I say, there's about 70,000 people on this channel, so I'm hoping that at least we can get a few of us to go over to the GoFundMe page which I've created just below. If you just check the link at the top of the description, I'll also pin it at the top of the comment section, and maybe just give £1 or 2, whatever, just to help Jeff try and rebuild his empire. He's like me, he's not a young chap, you know. We're all getting on a bit now, and I think he's in his 50s, and as I say, when you get older, things like this, when it's something you've built up for a while and it's taken away from you in one foul swoop, it can be a bit more heart-wrenching and harder to get over than a younger person, for example. So I mean, we're all getting older, but it's just, you've built up stuff over the years and years, and then you get to a stage where you think you've got where you need to be, and then suddenly everything's taken away from you. So if you could just help out, and probably go over there and give him a sub as well on his channel, just to help him sort of build his channel back up again, and maybe that we can see how he progresses once we've helped him out a little bit as a community, because we are a community, us on YouTube. I've known a lot of subscribers for quite a long time, and also Jeff is one of those subscribers, and it'll be just good to sort of try and help him as a community rather than possible insurance companies trying to wriggle out stuff, for example. You know, it'll be safeguarding that he's got a lump sum of money which he knows he will have to help rebuild him as well. So I've got a couple of others. I'm a project man, is also helping my son Gary to promote the awareness of Jeff's plight, sort of thing, and hopefully we can get him back up and running again, because it is a big blow for him. And yeah, just take a look at his channel below. The bottom line is that it's a very sad situation, and us as a community of restorers and repairers and the like, and also humane people, that's what we all are at the end of the day. So if you could just possibly help just by making a small donation to the GoFundMe page which I've created for him, that would be absolutely awesome. So thanks very much, folks. I look forward to seeing your comments below, and also let's get Jeff going. I'm sure he's going to be very, very thankful of any help that he can get. So thanks very much, folks. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.